turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To extend the life of your bulbs, we advise wearing Nitrile gloves, which combine the dexterity of latex with the resistance of vinyl. This will help protect the lead and avoid the little cuts that can occur during the operation. To access the fog lights, you must separate the mudguard. Turn the wheel outwards to be able to access it more easily. Put yourself under the defective light. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws that hold a part of the mudguard in place, preventing access to the bulb. With a thin flathead screwdriver, now remove the 3 plastic rivets that hold the mudguard in place, levering them off from the centre. Pull on it to remove the rivet and repeat the process for all the other rivets. Now, separate the mudguard as much as you can. You should be able to see the electric connector for the fog light bulb. Turn it 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. And take it out by making small back and forth movements. You can now disconnect the bulb from the power cable by pulling on the tab. Since the previous operations can get pretty dirty, we advise changing your gloves so you don't get the new fog lights dirty. Take your H11 lead. And insert it into the electric connector. Put the new fog bulb in its holder. And make a 1/4 turn clockwise to fix it in place. Now, put the mudguard back in place. To reinsert the rivets, insert them into their holders. And finish by pushing on the central part. Screw the 2 holding screws back in place. Operation completed.